Hello everyone and welcome back to Algebra 1. Today we are continuing once again with concept number 8, which is slope and y-intercept. So very quickly reviewing what we learned yesterday in Math Merit, which is how to identify the slope and the y-intercept in a y equals mx plus b formula. So what we learned was to identify slope, which is m. This is our slope. And our b is our y-intercept. For your assignment, I had assigned you two different equations where I asked you to identify the slope and the y-intercept. Now, today what we're going to be doing is, let's say we are given values for our variables of slope and y-intercept. So, in other words, we're given values for both m and b. We're going to look at how that looks like and then go ahead and graph it. So, get your pencils and paper ready to get started. For our first example, we're going to start off with a value of 2/3 for m and a value of 3 for b. What we're going to be doing is plugging those in. So again, we're plugging it into an equation that looks like y equals mx plus b. That means the value of 2/3 we're going to plug in where m is, and the value of 3 we're going to plug in where b is. And it's going to look like this. Now, here you see that I wrote first elevator, second elevator, and walk. Does elevator, walk sound familiar? It should. That's how we graph, okay? So let's go ahead and see how we would do that. This is the equation that we are going to be graphing. Y equals 2/3 x plus b, okay? Our first elevator is going to tell us how to move vertically. Remember, you go up and down an elevator. So it's going to be plus 3, meaning we're going to go up 3 floors, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and that is our first point, okay? Now, from our first point, we go over here and look at our second elevator. Now, it's a positive 2, so that means we're going to go up 2 more floors. So, 1, 2. Now, what we're going to be doing with our denominator in this fraction, which in this case is a positive 3, we're going to be walking over 3 steps. So, 1, 2, 3. And we draw our dot right here because it's right here and right there. Therefore, this is our slope and y-intercept. My line is not very straight, but you get the point. Simple enough, right? Let's go into your assignment for today. Very well, for your assignment today, here is the equation. The value you got for m is 1/4, and the value you got for b is -2. Now, your assignment is to plug those in and graph the equation. Okay, so do not forget to graph it. Okay, I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon, and I hope y'all have a very wonderful rest of your day. If you have any questions or you need any extra help, please do not hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. So, goodbye.